How to fix TikTok app rewards not working. So if you want to fix your TikTok app rewards not working, then first open up your TikTok application and you need to go with profile, which is on the bottom right, and make sure to log into your account. Once you're under the profile, now go with the upper right, which has that 3-bar icon. Go with settings and privacy, and then scroll down, go with report a problem. Once you're under report a problem, you need to scroll down and then go with chat with us or submit a report option. You might have submit a report or chat with us. So you just need to simply go with that. And here, what you need to do is simply send a message, or you can send a report. You need to write, I'm having issues with my TikTok rewards not working. I need this to be fixed. And once you've written that, you just need to simply go with submit. You can submit your tickets, or you can send a message and you'll be able to help from the TikTok help desk. Or if you've reported something, then you will get email on your mail and your problem will be fixed. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.